is reborn every dawn, an invitation to love, to live. The earth calls us, ask for attention. Sustainability creates our mission. Plant hope, reap tomorrow, leave selfishness, reach out. We are part of the whole, one heart. In the union of peoples, revolution is born. Exalt life, let the light shine. Love is the force that will guide us. Save the planet, take care of the place where all dreams can come true. The waters run, carry our cry. Let us take care of the rivers, let us sow love. The forest whispers, asking for shelter. Every standing tree is a friend. From north to south, from east to west, we are different, but love closes us. Equality is the motto. Together we will follow. Build a future where we can smile. Let's raise our voices, fight for an ideal, a sustainable world where good overcomes evil. No borders, no wars, just peace to celebrate. Tomorrow awaits us, ready to start again. Exalt life, let the light shine. Love is the force that will guide us. Save the planet, take care of the place where all dreams can come true. Life is the gift that we must take care of. The planet is the home we need to love. With love and equality, we will conquer a better world for everyone, where life is the altar.